Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're gonna work in some parts of our design. I was looking to this splash screen yesterday, and to be honest, I think we're gonna change a little bit. I didn't like this icon here. The idea that I was maybe it's not the best for showing what is the purpose of the project. So we're gonna work on that. But first, before we start, I would like to share with you guys a word of God. Probably I'm gonna just read the verse of the day for every video, and this video also gonna be less than the last one. The last one was almost an hour, and this one I'm gonna try to finish at 10 minutes. And yeah, I will try to keep between 10 and 15 minutes each video. I know it's a lot of content because, like I said, I don't have anything done for this project. Is everything new, so we're gonna need to search some of them. We're gonna need to find some solutions by looking on Google, using ChatGPT. This is the truth, this is the reality sometimes. So yeah, let's just try to keep the videos short, and let's see how it goes. So the verse of the day is, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. So that's it. This is the verse of the day. You can think about that. I'm not going to extend saying about it here, but maybe in the future I can do some videos because I'm a Christian, so we can maybe read the Bible together, and let's see how it goes. So let's go to our design. Okay, so the test that I have here, let me a little bit bigger, maybe like this is good for you. So I want to improve the splash screen. I don't like this icon. We need to create an icon, probably going to be the same as the splash screen, just a little bit smaller. Create layout to show. Okay, so we need to create this layout here just because when you do scroll, this title sheds become like a part of the header. So we need to do that. And also I want to add some background on chat page. This, yeah, just because now is a solid color, and I guess it will be better if we put some image here, like an image, just to try to improve the visual of this page. Okay, so let's start with splash screen. Maybe we can get an icon related to message. Let's see what we found. Yeah, something related to message. I don't know, maybe this one. This is almost same as the icon that I have. Let's see. Let me check. Yeah, but it's not the same. Let me just get more space here. Nice. So what else? What we can use? No, this one is the message, I guess. No, this one is the message. It's almost same. If that one, no, it's more an email icon, not a message. What about this one, guys? Maybe? Let's see. Also, maybe in the future I'm gonna try to do lives on Twitch just so I can get feedbacks on real time, and you guys can help me out to create the design or to implement the code. But let's see. Maybe like this. Let's remove. No. Let me just get the position. Should be exactly the same. No, that's right. Just here now. Awesome. So like this. Yeah, maybe it's better. I think I'm going to use this icon. It's not the main point of the app. I just want something that is related to sending message, and this one is better than the last one. And also we can use the blue color as our primary color. So here, instead of green, we're gonna change to blue, but I'm not going to do that now. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the app icon first, and maybe if we still have time, we can change the color. So, okay, improve splash screen. For me, it's okay. Maybe we can also remove the text here. Let's keep it for now. Let's see how it's gonna be on cell phone, on the real cell phone. So if you need or if you want, we can remove the text. This is not a big problem, so let's not worry about that. Okay, so app icon. Okay, so Probably we're gonna use Expo with React Native. I don't know if you guys have worked with Expo, but it's a library that helps you with a lot of, oh my goodness, what is the app documentation? Yeah. So this library is gonna help us with a lot of features. For example, we will need to implement notification. We can use Expo notification to do it with React Native. So I'm saying that because I know Expo provides a Figma to create a splash screen and an icon. So let's do this. If you want to get this Figma, just search like Expo Figma. You're gonna find the first link. Just open up, open Figma. Let's get YouTube. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to put our icon here. This is the size that's gonna be on cell phone. So any change that I do on this icon, it's gonna reflect here. So let's say that I'm going to remove the background. As you can see here, now I don't have the background. So let's copy our icon. Let's paste here. Yes. So we can use the space within this first big circle. So for example, we can come maybe until here, and no, it's too big on this side, so let's try to move a little bit down. What is the middle of this? Maybe here is the middle. Yeah, like this maybe. I want to use a dark background, but let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, so as you can see, this is the icon of our app for now. I'm gonna change the background to be this color. I really like dark colors, so we're probably gonna use it here. Background, do I have any color here? Maybe I can add, no, I can't. So let's create an, maybe on icon. Can I change the color? Yes, I can. Nice. So remove big circles, and now this is the icon that we want. For me, it's fine, to be honest. It's really looking fine for me. Maybe we'll change these as well in the future, but for now it's okay. Let's paste here. As you can see, the Android icon is a little bit smaller, so we'll need to reduce the size of our icon, maybe like this, in the middle, and in the middle as well. Yeah, we are using the size that we can. So let's go. Yeah, sorry, no, for Android icon we cannot see that, but it's fine. Let's just get this color. Okay, use same color here. What is the color? Maybe I need to add a color. Nice. Okay, so the last part is to create a splash screen. We just need to copy the icon, come here, paste, and in the middle we will need to put that inside these as well. Maybe smaller, like this. Yeah, let's see. Maybe it's too small, guys. For this splash screen, I don't use to respect this size of the cycles. So what I'm going to do is just ignore that. Let's put like 500, and let's find the best position for that. Maybe here. Okay. Yes, looks good. Maybe something. Yes. And now we can copy the text and paste here as well. Here. Okay. Let's see. This one 72. Looking great, and we want the dark color as well. So splash screen, view, and get this color. Nice. Maybe a little bit more. Let's see, 100. I'm not sure if it is in the middle, yeah. And we can put like without rid of space. Nice. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe what we can do is we can remove the background, but the problem is the linear that we have. Okay, so what we can do? What if we remove the text? Not sure if it's better with text or not. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the text for now. No, I won't. Let's remove that. Let's make that'll be simpler. Or we can use a different color like this one. Maybe like this. Yeah, let's keep that for now. The first blue is the same as the icon or not. Okay. Yeah, maybe just the icon. Just because I prefer the gradient with white, but we cannot use white in some case, as you can see here. So this is when the theme of cell phone is light, and here is when it's dark, if I'm not wrong. So what we need to do now is select those three, icon, adaptive icon, and splash screen. Come here and click to export 3 layers. We're gonna have the download here, and now we can just open it up. I'm opening on the screen. Come here and just paste. Nice. So we have this splash screen and those icons that we need. In the future, it will make sense because we will need to use these files on Expo project. We're gonna copy those and put on assets folder, and the app will automatically use this as the icon of the application, like here. Okay, so we did the improve of splash screen, app icon, and we still have some parts to do. But since I've been recording for 15 minutes, I'm gonna stop here and see you guys in the next video. I know it's like 15 minutes and we just did the icon, but this is a process. Like, to create an app is not really easy. We need to dedicate some time. But I'm sure that we're gonna get a great result when we start to doing the code and when we finish this project. Okay, so thank you, and the next video we're gonna do the layout for the scroll and the background for this page. Maybe after that we're gonna start the code. Okay, thank you.